Thank you. Okay, boys po. Winter po. Going guys. School lang mga babies ko. You know, cute. Hi! Saan ka? Where are you hiding? Say hi. Good morning. Ate, can you sit down muna here? I wash. You'll make lots of friends, okay? You listen to teacher, huh? Don't be pasaway, okay? No crying. Good day, mga babies. Sa loob. Talaga naman ready. Yeah. Ano number? Ganda ng school nila. Bye-bye. Lilipat yan sila. Lilipat yan sila. Yun na. Lilipat ng kabilang room. Diyan siya sa kabila. Ang galing. Tara na. Baka umiyak. Hi po, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hi po, thank you. Hi. You have fun? Oh, good. Thank you. So nice day. How's the school? Good? Good? Come, come. Thank you.
Okay, boys po. Winter po.
How was it, ate? Good. How about?
You didn't cry?
Ano gusto mo? Sa cone o sa cup? Yan! Yay! Sa cone? At dahil good girl sila sa school, ice cream. Favorite na ice cream. Are you excited for today?
Yeah,
Why?
because I go to school.
You're going to school. What's your school? What's the name of your school? What's the name of your school?
Yes, I.
Say it again. My name is Gwen. What's your name?
Gwen.
How old is Gwen? 3. You're 3 years old. And what's the name of your school?
CSA.
Very good. How about you, Rain? Are you excited for today?
Yes,
Why?
because I'm going to CSA.
And it's what is it today? It's your orientation day.
Yeah, we're going to do amazing.
You're going to do amazing, okay? High five.